One election and 3 trips. Guess who's breaking travel records faster than campaign records? Don't tell me. Rahul Gandhi. Bingo. The man, the myth, the traveler. From South America to Satpura to soon to be Finland. While everyone else was busy campaigning for Bihar, Rahul ji was busy collecting air miles. He was on a foreign study tour, yaar. Congress believes in global learning, you see. Oh yes, in late September, when Bihar's political heat was at its peak, Rahul Gandhi went cooling off in Brazil, Colombia, Peru and Chile. Maybe he thought Congress votes were hiding in the Amazon rainforest. At least he's exploring new territories. Someone has to, of course, because in India, there's not much territory left for Congress to explore. BJP has already taken it all. And then just one day, before the last day of campaigning in Bihar, Rahul Gandhi was seen in Satpura Tiger Reserve. Maybe he was connecting with nature, huh? Nature? Bro, he was literally in a jungle safari jeep. The rest of his party was hunting for voters and he was hunting for tigers. Well, leadership requires vision, you see. Yeah, except his vision seems to work only through binoculars. And now for the grand finale. A day after Bihar results on November 15th, Rahul Gandhi is all set for a 10-day Finland trip. Yes, it's another educational visit. He's going to learn about Nordic democracy. Nordic democracy? Or Nordic vacation? Because honestly, the only cool thing in Congress right now is their voter enthusiasm. Come on, the Prime Minister also travels abroad, right? True, but PM Modi went to Bhutan for official bilateral talks. Your Rahul ji goes on leisure safaris and snow breaks. At least he's consistent. Oh, definitely. Consistently absent from the ground, from parliament and from common sense. So let's recap. In barely just 1 month, South America, Satpura Safari, Finland, that's coming soon. You make it sound like a travel blog. Exactly. Rahul Gandhi Vlogs Season 2025. Exploring the world, ignoring the polls. But at least he's global, huh? Yes, global traveler and local absentee.